This is the daily weather briefing for South Texas for Saturday, June 28th, 2014. Today's briefing will primarily focus on the drying trend that is underway for South Texas, which will result in our more typical summer heat and humidity. We'll have details on that coming up shortly. We'll also take a look at the beachcast for today and tomorrow, and we'll wrap this briefing up by taking a look at the tropics. First up, though, look at the surface chart from this morning. An area of high pressure centered over the southeastern United States will continue to try to influence area weather. However, enough moisture and enough upper-level support from a weakening disturbance will exist for at least isolated to perhaps a few scattered showers and thunderstorms across the coastal plains area later this morning and early afternoon. However, most areas will remain dry today. It will be hot and kind of humid with a mix of sun and clouds. Afternoon highs will be in the upper 80s to around 90 across the coastal plains and Victoria area, with temperatures in the upper 90s to around 100 farther west along the Rio Grande. Drier air in the mid and upper levels will work its way into the area tomorrow and into the first half of the upcoming week. That will result in less cloud cover and overall drier conditions, which means little to no rain over the next several days after today. Afternoon highs will continue to be hot, low to mid-90s across the east, and around 100 degrees along the Rio Grande and western brush country. If you're heading to the beach today and tomorrow, be aware that there is a moderate risk of rip currents for Gulf-facing beaches due to increased swell periods moving into the region. Overall, we'll be humid with a mix of sun and clouds both today and Sunday. Highs along the immediate coast will be in the upper 80s to around 90. And it will be rather breezy, southeast winds around 15 to 20 miles per hour, and nice water temperatures around 80 degrees. Look at the tropical weather outlook issued by the National Hurricane Center in Miami. And the Hurricane Center is denoting about a 30% chance of tropical cyclone development off the South Carolina coast during the next 2 days. As an area of low pressure currently moving off the coast will sit across the southeastern United States and possibly gradually develop. The chance of development increases to 50% over the next 5 days. However, this system will not be impacting South Texas or the Gulf of Mexico. For the very latest hurricane information, check out hurricanes.gov. And for the very latest South Texas weather information, check out weather.gov/Corpus Christi.